Welcome back to channel. For the first time in this channel, we are going to show how to make an embossed modern blouse. Wearing of designer blouses is the latest fashion. I want to begin with a simple and easy model, and therefore I have decided to show you the embossed model blouse. This is an outside facing modern blouse. We will see how to do this blouse. We have already shown you the method on how to draw the cut blouse in the video presented in the Bharath Skills channel. Using that method, you can draw the back portion of the blouse. Just leave the neck portion from the diagram and draw the balance of the diagram. For the neck, first keep half an inch in the inside. Similarly, keep half an inch in the outside. I am going to take the pot neck shape. Draw the pot neck shape. Similarly, I am going to draw a dome shape in the lower portion. Mark 1 inch outside this pot neck shape and draw a parallel shape as shown here. This is the outside facing which is going to be visible in the back of the blouse. Now we can cut the back. How to cut the back has already been shown in the previous videos uploaded in this channel. Now let us cut the neck. Cut the round only and not the dome, because we are going to cut the dome as facing. Insert a paper below and draw the neck portion and the dome portion. I am starting at the dome portion. Draw a straight line and draw the neck portion. Now we are seeing how to draw the outside facing. Now keep 1 inch distance from the outline drawn as shown here and draw the round first and then the dome. Now how to cut the facing I have shown here. We are going to cut this shape in the folded cloth. I have shown you how to cut outside facing. Now how to cut this in a cloth I am going to show you hereafter. Now let us cut the lining fabric. You should not cut the neck portion. I am keeping the paper pattern on the actual cloth to show you that we have not cut the neck portion. Now we are going to keep the lining cloth on the original cloth and going to cut. How to lay the front, back and the sleeves in the original cloth I have shown here. Now take a fusible canvas, which is also called a paper canvas. Buy a good quality canvas and use it. We have already taken the back neck shape in a pattern sheet. Now keep this pattern on the fusible canvas and draw the shape. I am cutting the shape in the folded portion of the canvas so that we will get two sides of the shape. Now I am showing you how to cut the shape. Please cut it carefully so that there will not be any edges in the inner and outer sides of the shape, because the finish with which you cut the canvas will decide the final finish of the garment. Now we are going to fuse the lining with the garment as shown here. I have fused the cloth with a golden fabric because I am going to emboss in the golden fabric. Mark half an inch outside the shape and draw a parallel shape as shown here. This half inches is for stitching allowance. Now cut the golden cloth around the shape as shown here. Now fold the canvas in the center and cut a notch in the center. How we are going to stitch the embossed design we will see in the next lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. All the best. In this video we have fused the canvas in a single layer of cloth. Keep two layers of golden cloth below this. This is because this is an embossed design. You have to stitch like this, keeping 1 millimeter distance without touching the canvas. We have already given stitching allowance of half an inch for this purpose. While starting and ending, put an edge stitch so that the stitch will not come out later. We have stitched around the neck now. Now cut outside the design, leaving quarter of an inch cloth. Make many cuttings around the edge like this. This will ensure that you will be able to turn the cloth. I have shown you how the stitched back neck will look after turning the cloth inside out. Now keep the lining inside the cloth and attach the back. Now I am attaching the armhole side. Now I am attaching the side seam side. After attaching the lining, center the lining from the shoulder side and cut a notch. Now I am taking the back neck which we already prepared and cut it as shown here at a distance of 1 inch from the edge. Then we will center it. Now keep this back neck on the lining cloth as shown here and join the two clothes using a pin. Similarly, for the top and down both sides, insert the pin to ensure that the back neck align correctly with the center. Now attach the neck in the inside. Stitch at a distance of 1 millimeter. Now cut the cloth as shown here at a distance of quarter of an inch for seam allowance. Cut the corners as shown here. Because this is an embossed design, we have to turn the cloth so that it will come to the top side. Cut like this. Firmly press the turned cloth with your nails in such a way that the green lining cloth is not visible to the outside. Similarly, when you do the edge stitch, pull the green cloth inside and stitch it so that it will not be visible to the outside. First, for beginning of the neck, do the edge stitch. Leave 1/8 of the inch and do the stitching. Pull the fabric tightly and stitch in such a way that the green fabric will not be visible. I have shown you how to stitch tightly here. Stitch at 1/8 inch distance from the edge. Since this is the first designer blouse lesson, I have given a simple design for you. In the coming lessons, we will see how to create more complicated designs. In the next edge, now stitch it as shown here. The distance from the edge can be 1/8 of an inch. We are doing the neck outside facing. The distance from the edge can be 1/8 of an inch. It has come nicely now. Right. Now we have created the embossed design for back neck, outside facing design. We can create a lot of designs like this. We are going to fix the lace at a distance of quarter of an inch. The lace has to be stitched at equal distance so that it will look good. This lace is 3/16 of an inch width. Therefore, I am fixing this lace with a single stitch. I am stitching in the middle of the lace itself. Now we are seeing the back of the blouse looks after the lace has been stitched. Next, we are going to stitch the bottom fold with an half an inch stitching with a single fold. Next, we have created a 1.5 inch notch from the bottom already. Now, I am going to fold the cloth and stitch the bottom. As usual, we will first start with edge stitching and complete. As far as designer blouses are concerned, the color which we are choosing is the most important thing. Now I am going to make 2 marks from the center at a distance of 4 inches for making the back dots. The dot length can be 4 inches and the thickness can be half an inch. I am marking 4 inches now and I am going to complete the stitching of the back dots. So for the other side, now we are going to stitch the dot. Now we have completed the back dots. Now I am showing you how the cloth will look after fixing the lace and after stitching the back dots. In the coming lesson, you will find how this garment will look after full stitching. Please see that video also. In the next lessons, I will show you how to do back designs in more different ways. These videos are presented by Bharath Skills YouTube channel. We have already created fashion designing course DVD for pattern making. The level 1 DVD is for churidar kameez and level 2 DVD is for blouse making. What type of lessons are available in the DVD are detailed at bharathskills.com website. Those who are interested in learning the art of tailoring from home based on DVD may visit the bharathskills.com and purchase the DVD through cash on delivery or other payment methods. If you like the lesson, please subscribe to my channel. If you feel that any improvement is required, please do comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.